Welcome to today's maths lesson. In this lesson, we are going to do counting in twos and multiplication, our two times table. In this lesson, we are going to need the words groups, times table, repeated addition, times, multiply, and twos. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to count in twos and understand the two times table through grouping. Don't forget to click on the link to answer the questions after the lesson. There's some really fun online games for you to play, activity sheets, as well as YouTube videos for you to watch. Now let's begin. Okay, multiplication. Here, Adam and Lily have 5 apples each. How many apples will they have all together? Okay, so there's 5 for Lily and 5 for Adam. Okay, now we will use 2 because there are 2 people and each of them have 5. So we will say 2 times 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Lily and Adam have 10 apples all together. Let us look at this one. There are 2 pieces of pizza on each plate. How many pieces of pizza are there all together? Now we can count in twos. Okay, 2, 4, and 6. So when we put it as a multiplication sentence, we will say 2 because there are 2 in each plate, and there are 3 plates altogether. So we will say 2 times 3, and if we count in twos, 2, 4, 6. So our answer will be 6. In this example, there are 2 walls and each has 6 cats on it. How many cats are there all together? So, because there are 2 walls, we will say 2, and there are 6 cats on each wall, so we will say times 6. And now we need to find the answer. Okay, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or if we count in twos, we could go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And the answer is 12. In this example, there are 10 birds in each tree. How many birds are there all together? So here we will say 2 times 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this is same like saying 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, but that will take really long. So we will say 2 times 10, which is equal to 20. Now we can do it by counting in groups. There are 2 fish in each bowl. Count in twos to find out how many fish there are all together. So we can count 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So we can say 2 times 5 because there are 5 bowls, and the answer is equal to 10. In this example, there are 2 frogs on each lily pad. Counting twos to find out how many frogs there are all together. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so we can say 2 and we can count how many lily pads we have. 4 because there are 4 and there are 2 frogs on each lily pad. Now if you're having trouble counting in twos, you can just say the one number quietly in your head. So you can count. You'll say 1 really quietly, 2, 4, 6, 8. You put the other number quietly in your head and you say the next number loud. So you will say 1, 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. So the numbers that you are saying loudly are counting in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8. So our answer is equals to 8. Here there are 10 cars in each row. Count how many to find out. Count to find out how many cars are they all together. Now instead of saying 2 plus 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 2, we can just say there are 2 rows and there are 10 in each row. So we say 2 times 10. And if we want to find out the answer, we can count in twos. Remember my trick I taught you? Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So our answer is 20. Now let us count in twos to find out how many flowers there are all together. We can count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So there are 16 flowers altogether. Now to write this as a multiplication sum, we first know that there are 2 flowers in each pot. Now we count how many pots are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 pots. And we already counted in twos to find out how many flowers altogether. There are 16 flowers altogether. We've come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you next week, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.